Hello, in this video I'm with the OPPO A98 and I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable camera grid lines and also camera leveler. So first of all, you have to open this camera application and then, for example, open the photo mode and click on this three lines in the right upper corner. Next, select the settings and right here we can find grid lines. And we can find three lines, that's the grid, and also the diagonal lines and golden spiral. So we can enable this one, for example, and here we can enable or disable camera leveler. And when you go back, after a few moments, you can find it on the screen. So as you can see, that's how we can do this. Hope you like it.